Coast is clear. Well, this is the warehouse. In some ways, it's like the heart of the factory. This is where everything gets pulled together. You can tell by all the boxes, paper and other merchandise lying around that this is where the coffin fittings would have all been packaged up, ready to ship off to the undertakers. Dolly runs the warehouse. Nice lady, but takes no nonsense from anyone. I expect you all know what this is. It's a hoist, of course. It's just a fancy way of saying a lift for things and not people. I tried to get in there once myself. Got caught by Dolly. She was not happy with me at all. At all. I won't be doing that again in a hurry. They use it to move goods downstairs or to bring materials upstairs to make the coffin fittings. I won't be able to show you today, but right through that door there is the polishing shop. I can tell you, it makes blood rush to my cheeks every time I go in there. It's so embarrassing. The room is full of ladies. Many have really big boobs that they use to push against the polishing mobs. I don't know where to look. My father always tells me how proud he is to work for a business that makes the finest coffin fittings in all of England. They have customers in the Caribbean, Ireland and other former British territories. Dad spends a month at a time over in Ireland. He travels all over on his triumphant motorbike. Does good business over there, especially with all the fighting and the War of Independence and the Civil War. Last time he was there, he was trained on a machine gun. Sounds very exciting. He was captured by the IRA once, accused of being an English spy. They held a gun to his head. They thought that he had bullets and guns in his bag. Turns out all he had in his bag were crosses and crucifixes. He reckons that's what saved him. While you're here, you should have a feel at the different quality and weight of them handles and breastplates. They make a huge range here to suit any budget. Take the handles alone. They are made of solid brass and cheaper metals which have just been plated, which means they've just been covered in metal. Others are made of plastic, which is the latest thing. You can't tell the difference by looking at them, but you can when you pick them up. My pa's worried that plastic handles like this will make Newman Brothers go out of business one day. I doubt that will be the only reason. More people are getting cremated nowadays, instead of buried. Who wants to spend money on something that's just going to be burnt in a furnace? You must have money to burn. To keep up with the times, the catalogue is offering a wide range of funeral products. Now they can even provide you with embalming liquid and cavity fluid. Do you know what these are used for? You don't? Well, they used to clean out the bodies, keep them smelling nice and fresh. Well, as fresh as a dead body can smell, I guess. Do you hear footsteps? Must be my father. Have a good look around while I go and find out. Remember, feel them handles to see the difference in weight.